فلتة يلا.
انت عارفة اني ما بعومش بسرعة.
هي دي مش شكلها يجنن؟
فعلا جميلة. يلا بقى نروح.
ما تقوليش انك ابتديت تخاف ها؟
انا لا طبعا. بس المكان ده رطوبة. والظاهر شكلي كده هعيا. اديني بكح.
خلاص هدخل لوحدي، خليك هنا بس حاسب من القرش.
ادخلي لوحدك وانا هقعد. ايه قرش؟ اريو اريو مش قادر. الحقيني.
يا فلتة.
اريو تفتكري في سمكة قرش هنا بجد؟
فلتة انت ليه خواف كده؟
انا مش خواف، حاجة جميلة. انا بحب كده قوي، الإثارة والمغامرة والخطر كامن في كل حتة. اريو.
انت كويس؟
طبعا انا كويس.
يا خبر، يا خبر، ازاي في ناس بيعملوا حاجات جميلة زي دي؟
رائع. بس ايه ده؟
معرفش، بس اكيد نورس عارف.
ايه ده؟ سمعتي حاجة؟
يا ترى ايه ده؟
اريو.
فلتة ممكن تهدى؟ مفيش اي حاجة هتحصل.
Do you remember the word for swim? Falta uses it in the negative tense and says, I can't swim quickly.
انت عارفة اني ما بعومش بسرعة.
This is how you conjugate it. عم يعوم العوم. And here's a saying you might have heard of before. Ibn al-Wiz awam, which means the son of a goose is a good swimmer, which means like father, like son. The next verb is to get sick. Falta uses it in the future tense.
والظاهر شكلي كده هعيا.
Here's how you conjugate it, but the most common way you'll use it is with the ism al-fa'al ayan, which means sick. Hasib is a command which means be careful or look out. Use min for the thing you're looking out for.
خليك هنا بس حاسب من القرش.
Did you notice how Ariel says hasib mil irsh and not hasib min el irsh? In the Egyptian dialect, prepositions normally get swallowed up when speaking quickly. Another example is fi el becomes fil, and so on. To conjugate the imperative form, we just add ya for female and waw alif for two or more people, so hasibi, hasibu. Another important command to know is help or save me, which is ilhaqni.
مش قادر. الحقيني.
Falta says ilhaqini because he's talking to a girl. And here's a random clip of a bug asking to be saved. Hopefully the last scene didn't scare you, otherwise you'd be a scaredy cat or khawaf.
فلتة انت ليه خواف كده؟
انا مش خواف.
I hope you were taking notes of the highlighted words earlier because it's pop quiz time. Match the words to the corresponding ones in the other column. While you're thinking about it, if you enjoy my videos and want to support the channel, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It sends a good signal to the algorithm and pushes out the video to people like you who enjoy my content. If you want to think more, pause the video because we'll be watching the clips with these words right now.
بس المكان ده رطوبة. بس الإثارة والمغامرة والخطر كامن في كل حتة.
Here are the answers. Let me know how many you got correct. One thing to note is how Isara is pronounced. It's written with a tha, but it isn't Ithara, it's Isara. There were two words in the scene that mean amazing. Do you remember them? The first one is ra'a, which is more MSA, and the next one is yigannin, which can also mean to drive someone crazy.
رائع.
مش شكلها يجنن؟
Finally, we have oh my god or oh my goodness. Ariel says ya khabar, but you'll hear ya khabar abyad or ya khabar iswad. And you think that ya khabar abyad would be a reaction to good news, but Egyptians use it for bad news as well.
يا خبر، يا خبر.